I'm going to show you guys a quick way how to pair your Jabra Evolve 75 headphones to my iPhone here. Very simple. We're going to be going here to, which would be the left side, I believe, the right side. On the right side, you're going to see a power button right here. If you slide down, that's to turn it on, and if you slide back, that's to put it into Bluetooth mode. So we're going to go ahead and slide it back until the blue light starts flashing. So now we're going to go ahead and go to our settings here, and you're going to see Jabra Evolve 75 show up. We're going to click on that, and simply we are now connected to my iPhone, so now I can use this as a headset. I can listen to it as headphones however I would like. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. This is Joe signing out.